Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided that I wanted to vlog today just because I don't know, it's something to do and I want to continue making more content for you guys. So I'm gonna vlog today. I probably will end up combining it with tomorrow and maybe the next day just to make kind of a longer vlog for you guys and just show you like what I'm up to in quarantine, I guess, even though it's not a lot. I usually start the day with a workout after breakfast, but today I just am not feeling it. I did this hot Pilates workout on their Instagram yesterday. They do like Instagram live workouts, and I am not kidding when I say that my butt and legs are like so sore that I literally just don't think that I can work out today. So I think I'm going to take a walk, and yeah, I think I might end up having to go to Target too just to get a few things. I need some more face moisturizer, and what else do I need? I just like need a few things from there, so I might end up going there. And then oh, I have to study for my EMT national exam, which I scheduled to take in, oh my gosh, it's a week from today. So I scheduled to take that then. I don't know if I told you guys that already, but I have to go on Quizlet and like take some practice quizzes and stuff for that, just to make sure that I end up passing. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me today and see what I get up to. So I just got back from taking a walk not too long ago, and as you can tell, I'm laying in bed right now, but I can't take a nap because I'm washing my sheets right now, and I already washed my comforter like a couple days ago, so I'm just laying on that. But yeah, I'm just really tired right now. I think it's because I honestly haven't been sleeping very well, and I'm not really sure why, so if anybody has any suggestions to get a better night's sleep, let me know. I'm just gonna wait for my sheets to be done and then honestly probably take a nap. But right now I'm watching Maddie Sidlick's Misguided haul, and the stuff that she got is so cute. Everyone's been getting this Minneapolis like white long sleeve from Misguided, and it's really cute, and obviously I'm obsessed with it because that's where I live. I'm from Minneapolis, so I really want to get that. So maybe I'll do a little online shopping. I really shouldn't because I'm not making any money right now, but might do that. And then I guess I have to make lunch at some point. I'm just like not hungry yet though, so gonna wait on that. So for lunch I made some avocado toast on challah bread. If you've never tried challah bread, 10 out of 10, the best bread in the entire world. You can probably get it at most local bakeries, I think. But anyway, it's really good. I usually make my avocado toast on just the sprouted wheat sourdough from Trader Joe's, but I'm switching it up a little bit today. I added some everything but the bagel seasoning on here, and I was gonna make some eggs to put on, but honestly I couldn't find a clean pan that I wanted to use, so we're just dealing with it. So it's a little bit later now. I just had dinner. I had some spaghetti with a side of broccoli, and I'm sitting on my floor in my room right now because I am about to make a vision board. And basically I want to make this because I've been really into the idea of like manifestation and the law of attraction lately. So I want to just make a board and put pictures of things that I want to manifest into my life for the rest of this year on there. So I'll show you the board I have. I literally just found this in my garage. It's pretty big, and there were two of them, and I tried cutting another one of them, but it just didn't work out so well. So I'm just going to try and fill the whole board. And yeah, hopefully it'll look cute. I'm gonna hang it on my wall just to like remind myself every day of like what I want to manifest into my life. So I'm hoping it looks somewhat cute. So I ended up saving all the pictures that I wanted to be on my dream board, but unfortunately my printer ran out of ink, so I can't print them right now and put my board together, but hopefully I can do that tomorrow, and then that'll be like my project for tomorrow. It's 7 o'clock right now, and I'm just hanging out in bed. I think for the rest of the night I'm just gonna chill probably and honestly just watch some TV or hang out with my family, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, I just have to say I'm watching Maggie and Emma's live right now on Instagram, and they are so funny. They're talking about coming to Minnesota, and I don't know why, but I'm hyped because that's where I live, so. Good morning, guys. I am about to go for a run. This is what I'm wearing. This top is from Gymshark and the leggings are from Lulu. These ones I got in a size smaller than I normally get, and they're like really tight, but I kind of do like more compression for when I'm running, so they work. And then I like these for running too because they have a little like pocket in the back that I can put my phone in. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And then I think after my run, I'm also gonna do a little like hot Pilates Instagram live workout. So that's my morning. I'm done with my workouts and I just showered, as you can tell by my wet hair. But guess what I'm eating for lunch? Yeah, pretty predictable, but I honestly was like super uninspired on what to make for lunch today. Like I just wasn't feeling creative, so I just did this, but it's gonna be good. I'm obsessed with avocado toast with everything but the bagel, sriracha, and egg. So having that today, this is like the second time I've shown avocado toast in this vlog, so oops. Since I filmed last, I went to Target not once but twice because first time I went, I bought printer ink and some like hard seltzers because I'm going hammocking with a friend tonight and I thought that'd be a nice little vibe. But then I got home and I realized that I bought the wrong printer ink because I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never bought printer ink before. So I had to go back to Target and return it. I just printed out though like the pictures I was talking about for my dream board. And I will show you guys once it's all done. I'm really excited about it. Okay guys, so this is what I have. I can't decide if I'm gonna write stuff on here and like try to make it look a little cuter. I don't know, I just like don't want to mess it up and like write things and then have it look really bad. Okay, so I ended up using the paint pens and writing on it, and I actually think it looks pretty decent. So yeah, this is my finished dream board, and I think I'm gonna probably hang it up right on this big blank spot of my wall. I'm not sure if it'll be too small to fill that wall, so I'm gonna have to see. But yeah, this is how I made it, and I definitely encourage you guys to make one of these because it really kind of helps you visualize and just like have a daily reminder of your goals and what you want to achieve. So yeah, this is it. So I just really randomly decided to bake some cookies, and I took them out after 8 minutes and they look really doughy, but my mom says that I should just take them out early just because they still cook after they're taken out of the oven. So this is what they look like. I'm sure they'll be delicious. I love just eating cookie dough, honestly, so if my cookies just taste like cookie dough, then that's even better. So I'm gonna taste test one with a fork because I seriously don't even think I can pick it up because it's just so doughy. Sure, my mom's gonna hold the camera. Wait, it has to focus. Okay. That's good. I'm good at this. You should try some.
Are they super hot?
Kinda. Well, not that hot.
Okay. Oh.
I know, right?
Wait, I want to
look at how freaking doughy.
Wait, can I try?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, no, let me.
Okay. All right, this is my sister, by the way.
Hi.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, that's really good.
It's official, I'm a master baker. So I wasn't gonna vlog during dinner, but I'm eating Thai food right now and it is so freaking spicy. I'm like crying. And so is Maddie.
It hurts.
And I just got pad Thai and I got like medium spice because I do really like spicy food, but this is next level. But it's still really good, so I'm going to continue to eat it. Well, it's such a nice night that we decided to go to the park and hang, and Miranda's over here in her hammock and I don't have one, so I'm sitting on a blanket, but still good. All right guys, it's a while later. It's about 9:45 right now, and obviously I'm back home in my room in really comfy clothes, and I'm just going to end off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.